looking great big gold ring.
Good morning. I use two scoops when out detecting. On the right hand side is a Eastern European made scoop, and on the left is the American made scoop. Both excellent scoops, really solid, very well made. The only problem is that the American made scoop is quite heavy. So saying 2.6 kilograms, the other one is well under 2 kilos, it's about 1.8. The plan is that I'm going to replace the wooden shaft with the carbon fibre shaft on this scoop. This is going to be a multi-part video because I need to design the replacement shaft and the fittings for it. At the moment, the current fitting is a U-grip, 2 U-bolts into the back of the shaft, which holds it in place. So the plan is to get a long 1.2 metre carbon shaft, which I'm going to use obviously it's not to scale, so we've got a 1.2 metre carbon shaft, and the thing I don't want to happen is the tube fill up with water. So I'm going to do two things. I'm going to plug both ends, so at the top end I'm going to have a domed cap which will be sealed. At the bottom end, which this one will perform two functions, is a slug which goes inside into here. Fits well. The other thing I was going to do with that was fill the inside with expanding foam to make sure it can't fill up with water. And this slug here will prevent the bottom end, and it will be just for where the clamps go, to create a reinforcing structure, because with any tube, if you clamp it too hard, it can collapse. And equally, the tube where it sits inside the bottom of the shaft will be in a carriage. Like that, and then the hoops will come over, and the combination that will reinforce the actual bottom end of the tube, so it can't be crushed with the clamps. I may put something, the tube itself will sit in here like that, and I may put some extra protection on top of the tube where the U-clamps go. But the whole idea is to protect the tube and stop it filling with water. So this is obviously going to be a multi-stage process. I think I've got the theory of what I want to do. These bits here, here and here, I'm going to 3D print. Carbon tube I need to get, and then once I have that, I can start testing and assembling it all, and we'll see how it works. So let's get the tube on order and I'll be doing a part 2 video at some point in about a week's time.